The year was 2020, early March or thereabouts, off the back of quite a summer plagued by bushfires and droughts. So the nation was exhausted, many folks weren't thinking straight, which goes some way towards explaining #ToiletPaperGate. It started with a virus. Some say China was the donor. They called it COVID-19, but we called it my corona. And we saw the illness spreading and the cruise ships quarantined, and we sanitised our fingers as we lined up to be screened. And then in amongst the panic, someone headed down to Coles and loaded up their trolley full of toilet paper rolls. We'll never know who did it, what their motive was or why, or what brand of roll they hoarded. Was it scented or two-ply? All we know is in that moment, when they took it from the shelf, they unleashed a chain reaction as a nation shat itself. Now, we've faced wars and cyclones, we've survived them all as one. But a toilet paper shortage? Well, it made us come undone. For the people started hoarding all the last remaining sheets. There were punch-ons in the aisles, there was panic in the streets. "Me crack's in need of wiping," someone cried in desperation. What else can I bloody use to solve this situation? Some stooped to using gum leaves. Others left it on the floor. Many wiped with plastic bags and returned them to the store, while others rocked on the veranda with a shotgun fully manned. To protect their precious stock, they'd rather die than use their hand. And the cheeky bidet owners, with their derrieres unhurt, well, they rented out their bathrooms. $20 for a squirt. But the greatest single irony throughout this sordid farce, you get corona in your nose and lungs, not shooting out your ass. So we'll never know, when faced with a pandemic-level slaughter, why we spent our cash on poo tickets instead of food and water. 'Cause history will tell you how the virus was contained, but the rush on toilet paper, that can never be explained. And I wonder if the Anzacs were infected by some jerks who'd fight over a Dunny roll instead of fighting Turks. 'Cause it seems to me it could just be a true blue Aussie trait to panic in a crisis and steal bog roll from your mates.